Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to go ahead and show you how you can actually add a new slide to your Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. So before we even get to adding or clicking the action in the ribbon, if you want to go ahead and use the keyboard shortcut, you could just do Control M. If I do Control M, I went ahead and created a new slide for me. The issue with that though is it didn't give me any sort of input. I wasn't able to provide any input. It just went ahead and created the slide for me. I didn't get to select what type of layout I wanted or anything like that. So let's go ahead and delete this. And what we're going to do now is we'll come over to the Home tab, over here to the Slides grouping. And within Slide, you can see we have two options. We have this right here. If I go ahead and select this top part, it's just going to go ahead and create a new slide for me. That's fine. But then if I come down to this drop down, it's going to give us a few different options. You can see we were able to create a title slide. We can create a title and content slide. We can create a section header. We can create a two contents and a comparison. You can see the difference between the two content and the comparison is with this one, you just have a main header. But then for comparison, you actually have a header for each one of these sections. So maybe you're comparing things among different months. You also have an option to add just a title only, a blank page, a content with caption, a picture with caption, and then section header is helpful if you have multiple sections within your presentation and you want to be able to divide them up. You know, maybe one section, maybe you have a presentation about animals and the first section is about dogs. Then you have another section about cats and another section about whatever. You can break it up with sections. Also, if you come over here to your slide deck here, if you right click, you actually have an option to be able to duplicate slides. So you can do one slide at a time, or you can come over here and you can actually just copy and paste slides as well. Because maybe you have, 3 or 4 slides in a row and you're like, oh man, these are really cool. I want to go ahead and copy and paste them. Or maybe you just want to be able to copy and paste them and then come over to design suggestions and then switch them up a little bit to make them look not as a little bit unique compared to the original slides that you copied and pasted from. So that is actually how you're able to add new slides to your Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. And you also have an option here where it says New Slide with Copilot. If you go and select this, you can actually prompt Copilot to tell it what you want the slide to be about. So this is another helpful tool as well. To be honest, it's been a little bit hit or miss for me. So hopefully by the time we're using this, it works a lot better than it does. So let me I'll try it and show you guys. It's the few times that I have tried it, Microsoft says I didn't prompt it correctly or I need to provide more information or something. So let's just say, can you create a slide about golden retriever puppies? Let's see what it does. I probably didn't provide enough information, but we'll see if it can make it happen. And also there is the new slide with Copilot option here, but there is also a general, oh wow, it actually worked this time. That's crazy. There is also an option up here in the top right where it says Copilot, where you can ask Copilot questions and you can do similar actions where you can go ahead and you can make changes to your PowerPoint presentation and things like that. So this is cool. Look at this. This gave this to me. All I did is prompt it and say, can you create a slide about golden retriever puppies? And it went ahead and provided the title. It provided little sections here about why golden retriever puppies are friendly in intelligence, how they're playful in nature, and importance of early training. But then over here on the design suggestions, we can actually make it look even prettier. So if I go ahead and select this, you can see this looks great, right? This took me 5 seconds, a little bit longer than 5 seconds, but we went ahead and just prompted it. And now we have this cute little picture of this golden retriever puppy and this cat along with some information here about golden retriever puppies. So that's how you're able to add new slides to your PowerPoint presentation.